I'm here in the frozen Alaskan rainforest, and I brought my hot tent because it's supposed to be a blizzard tonight. Woo! Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I had so much trouble getting this tent up. There's almost a 3-foot elevation difference from this side to this side. I had to do some funky stuff to get it to work. Well, the fire's barely going and it's heating up quite nicely in here, making my pants steam. That's why everyone calls me Hot Pants. I brought a little luxury item here. Laying in that snow is getting my legs so cold. Melting snow is such a pain. It'll probably take me 45 minutes.